Hello.
Thought for the day is 20 minutes of doing something is more valuable than 20 hours of thinking about doing something. Read that again. Hello comrades, this is Jaya.Shukla. Welcome to my YouTube channel or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great in your tech journey. So the objective of today's video is to create or make own Google search engine using your favorite Python programming language. So you will be questioning like why I took this topic for today's video. What is the need of this topic? Why I took that? Okay. So the answer is like if you are using or if you are engaged with some coding or some programming language on your desktop and you feel something searchable and you don't want to switch to the Chrome or any search engine, like you will be feeling like it is a time wasting to switch on the other search engine for this searching, and you just ignore that part. So what you can do is, while doing searching or while doing your coding part, you can search your queries. How you can do that? I will be telling you at the end of the video. You will say wow. So this would be a quite worth. So stay tuned with this video. You will be join and learn so well. So let's explore with this. So let me switch to the Jupyter notebook for creating the code. So what you have to do is, first you have to install a library called Google. So for installing a library, you have to, for installing a package, you have to write it down, pip command. So what is this? What is this? So pip install Google. This is the library for searching. So as I have already installed this, so there may be no issue. Okay, so let's continue with the next part, that is second part. From that you have to import a search module from Google search. So what you have to write in this, from Google search, import search. So this is the module which I have imported from Google search. Okay, so write a query. You can write, instead of query, you can write your problem, any variable you can take. Okay, so if I want to search like courses for Arduino. Okay, what I have done is done. Okay, courses for Arduino, and you have to write iterations. Okay, for I in search, and the query would be like TLD. What is the TLD? Top level domains. So top level domains, what does it do? Basically it stands for top level domain, which means we want to search our result on google.com or google.in or some other domains. This is what is TLD means. Now at the second part you have to write TLD. You have to write the domain, in which domain you want to search. Right, done. Now coming to the next comma, that is num equals to 10. Second is the stop, like we want only 10 results, that is why. Now pause. Now this is the condition. Now print I. So this is what I have done. Now I'll tell you the num, why I have taken the number of result as we want. Start the first result to retrieve, and the stop is the at the 10 result it may stop. Okay. Now pause. Pause is the lapse time. Lapse to wait between HTTP request, and lapse too short may cause Google to block your IP. So pause is very important. To write, now I have write print I. So here we use for loop. Now let me run this program. It will be giving some output. Let's see what would be the outputs here. Yeah, so these are the outputs. You can see here are the 10 results. You can see, you can count it down. Now like you will be seeing like it is only for courses for Arduino. No, it can search everything. Now I'll do this and I will search. Okay, I'll search my YouTube channel, Ask Jaya. Now I'll search. Now I'll run this program. So what are you thinking, guys? It will be providing this or not? Yeah, here are the 10 results it is showing. So let me press first link, or let me go with this first link, that is YouTube. Okay, what would be the opening? It is the right place. Okay, yeah, here is my channel. You can search. So isn't it interesting, like going with the very interesting links? Okay, this is so overwhelming and I feel so good while sharing this code with you all. So if you like this code or if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel if you are new at my channel. So thank you very much for